In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A37. So you're going to start by ensuring you have a data cable as well as a Windows laptop, PC, or even a Mac or MacBook. Then from here, you're going to use the same data cable that you currently have to connect your phone to the laptop. You can tell they've been connected when you see the charging animation appearing on your screen. So now all you need to do is simply access recovery mode. Accessing recovery mode needs a certain set of key combinations. You're going to press on the side button and volume down until your phone turns off. Then you're going to move your finger from volume down to volume up while still pressing on the side button until the Samsung logo appears. When it appears, you're going to let go of the side button and continue pressing volume up. Once you do that, you should be taken straight to recovery mode, allowing you to hard reset your A37. So let's go ahead and do so. Side button, volume down, long press, wait for the screen to go off. And then side button, volume up. Then let go of side button and continue pressing volume up. So as you can see, we've successfully entered recovery mode. So you're going to use the volume down button to highlight wipe data / factory reset. You're going to use the side button to select it. Again, scroll down with volume down and then side button to select it. Once you select it, a data wipe will appear on your phone and everything will be successfully erased. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.